Good morning. So it is day 3 right now. I am a little bit over 47 hours. And I woke up this morning with a big ketone buzz. I feel like I can just feel it humming through my body. It's almost like I had a huge mug of lots and lots and lots of caffeine. And it's, I can just kind of feel it surging under the skin. It's a good thing though. I feel like I got lots of energy. I'm feeling really good. So it's 9:30, about to go to church. I'm just gonna start off with a thing of kipper snacks just to have something quick. I'm gonna eat it straight out of the can. And I got my ghee bites here from the freezer, so I'm just gonna grab one of my tablespoon ones out of there. And I'm gonna have that with my kipper snacks. All right, I'll catch you guys later when I'm back and whenever I get hungry for more. Bye. Okay, it's 2:50. I'm about to go with my last King Oscar. These are my favorite, but I have to order them online and haven't seen as good of a price lately. So I'm gonna do this one in the skillet, sauteing it in some ghee, and that's going to be my meal. Popping like crazy. Okay, so that took about 10 minutes. It's about 3 o'clock now. I got my super hot, somewhat crispy sardines. I've salted them. These are perfect. So good and crispy. All right, I will see you guys when I get hungry again. We'll see how it goes. Bye. Good morning. It is almost 10 a.m. This is my last meal of sardines. So we're still within the 72 hours, but because of what time I started on day 1, we're now on day 4, and 72 hours ended at 9:50. So it is 9:55 right now, but you have to have a tin of sardines on your last moment of this challenge, or else you haven't completed the challenge. So this is my meal. I am going to be having, this is another Great Value brand package, and I just went for a walk. It's really hot outside, that's why my hair is up, and I'm trying to cool off. So I went with the cold version again and just used my vinaigrette dressing that I like to make for it. So that's what I'm having to end my sardine challenge. Really good. And in a little while, I will fill you guys in on the benefits that I felt from it. Today again, I woke up, big ketone surge, lots of energy, had a workout, got some editing done, went for a walk. So now I'm eating, finishing up this challenge, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye. The full 72-hour challenge came to a total of 9 tins of sardines, 2 tins of kippered herring, 12 tablespoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon of bacon grease, 1 tablespoon of mayo, which comes to a total of 199 grams of protein, 288 grams of fat, and 0 carbs. I have one of those scales that takes a whole bunch of different measurements for you, so I have the 3-day comparison for you guys to see. I do want to point out that I have a long form video. If you're interested, I'm going to talk more about the things that I did during this challenge, but also a bunch of different changes that I've made throughout this month that has contributed to some of these changes. So if you're interested, make sure you're looking out for that. But in the meantime, this is the 3 days that I did the sardine challenge. I had a 1.8 pound loss of weight overall, which would be, I went from 123.6 pounds to 121.8. And then it says I have a fat loss of 0.6%. My muscle rate has gone up 0.6%. Overall, it looks really good. Fat loss and muscle gain. So that's what we're looking at here with these 3 days. I'm very happy with my results.
She's the friendly neighborhood carnivore with a talent for cooking up a meaty uproar. From juicy steaks to sizzling ribs galore, she'll have you coming back for more. Fellas, smash that like button. She's the carnivore cooking queen. On your screen, bringing the meaty scene. Come on over and join the team for a culinary dream.